Gcash is showing access temporarily blocked. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you on how to fix that. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time visiting this channel, please do it to subscribe. Let's dive right into the video. First, all you need to do is to go to your settings and go to your settings, app management, and search for Gcash. So on the app here, you are going to be searching for the Gcash. Mind you, I've already deleted mine, so I'm just going to be using another app to show you guys how to delete this app from the main source to avoid that same problem. So on here, you are going to be clicking on your app. I'm going to be using my CapCut to show you guys how to do it. Once you click on that, you are going to be clicking on the uninstall on the bottom of the screen. Okay, on any file and click on uninstall. So they are going to be showing, do you want to uninstall this app? Then click on OK. So that is how you are going to delete your Gcash. Then after deleting your Gcash, all you need to do is to go back to your Play Store or your Apple Store and reinstall it. Okay. But make sure you delete it from that place, from the settings. Stop the Gcash. So you go ahead on your Play Store and search for Gcash and install it. So let's for install. So here, as you can see, our Gcash is installed and you do not open the app yet. Okay, so here all you need to do now is to go ahead and remove all the cloned app if you have one. Disable the developer option, and then you can go ahead and restart your device. Then after that, you wait for 24 hours before trying again. So I think then your Gcash should be able to open up. Okay, if and those the helpful because I come to the very end of this video, please do to subscribe to this channel. Tell me in the comment section if you want to know anything concerning Gcash or you are finding anything difficult on your device. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. See you guys in the next one. Bye.